In this video, we're going to be looking at two other taxes which are used in Ireland. And these are universal social charge and pay-related social insurance. So pay-related social insurance, or PRSI, this is used for pensions and social welfare payments. So the most common band is Class A, and if you earn €352 or less, you do not have to pay PRSI. But if you earn more than €352 per week, you pay 4% on all of your earnings. Universal Social Charge then, or USC, was introduced in 2011. This is payment that is given to the state, and the bands can change from year to year. And you will be given what the bands are if you get a question like this. For example, the bands in 2019 are as follows. So in your earnings up to €12,012, you have to pay 0.5%. Then anything over 12,012 to 19,874, you pay 2%. Then from 19,874 to 70,044, you pay 4.5%. And then anything over 70,044, you pay 8%. And this is from your total earnings. Let's have a look at the question. So Tim has a salary of €52,000. He pays USC at the usual rate. Find how much USC he pays annually. And we can see the rates are over here on the right. Okay, so the first €12,012, that's at 0.05%. So be careful now, it is a percentage. So 0.05%, we need to change that then into decimal form. So dividing by 100, that'll be 0.005. And then we do 12,012 times 0.005. That is equal to €60.06. Now, from 12,012 to 19,874. So I'm just going to subtract those now to see how much is there. So minus 12,012, and that is €7,862, and that's for this one here, and that's at 2%. So I'm going to be multiplying that by 0.02, and then that gets me €157.24. Okay, next one now is this band, and his salary is 52,000. So the difference between 52,000 and 19,874 is what we need to find. So 52,000 minus 19,874, and that is equal then to €32,126. So then that's at a USC rate of 4.5%. So 4.5% as a decimal will be 0.045. So multiplying that gets me €1,445.67. So now we need to add up all of these to get the total USC he pays annually. So if €60.06 plus 157.24 plus 1,445.67, and when we add up all those, we get €1,662.97. So that's how much USC Tim pays annually. Okay, so another one here. So Michael has a salary of €42,000 and he has a tax credit of €1,650. The standard rate of income tax is 20% and the higher rate is 40%. The standard rate cutoff point is €35,000. He pays USC at the usual rate, so which is given over here on the right. And then he has PRSI then of 4%. And we need to calculate Michael's net income for the year. So remember, net then is take home pay. So there's an awful lot in this question. So let's break it down, and first of all, let's focus just on the income tax. So standard rate of income tax 20%, higher is 40%, and the cutoff is 35%, and there's a tax credit of 1,650. So first of all, so the first 35,000 euro he owes, he's paying 20% of that. So 35,000 times 0.2, that is equal to 7,000 euro. Okay, so then anything above that, he's paying 40%. So to find this, let's do 42,000 minus 35,000, and that is 7,000 euro. And he's paying 40% tax on this amount. So 40% as decimal will be 0.4. So multiplying 7,000 now by 0.4. And that is 2,800 euro. So our two amounts now are 7,000 and 2,800. So I'm going to add those. And so his gross tax is 7,000 plus 2,800, and that is 9,800 euro. He has a tax credit though of 1,650. So let's do 9,800 minus 1,650. And that then is equal to 8,150 euro. So that's how much tax he pays. So tax payable. Okay, so that's income tax outlet now. Next thing now we need to look at is the USC. So just like the previous question, so first 12,012 euro is paid at 0.05. So 0.05 as a percent, as a decimal would be 0.005. So we're doing 12,012 times 0.005. That is 60 euro and 6 cents. Then for the next band then, so we need to work out the difference of 19,874 and 12,012. So 19,874 minus 12,012, and that is 7,862 euro. And the USC rate for that band then is 2%. So 2% of the decimal will be 0.02. So multiplying those, and that gets us 157 euro and 24 cents. The last rate then is over 19,874. So to find that, we'll have 42,000 minus 19,874. And that is 22,126 euro. And that's at 4.5%. So that'll be 0.045. So multiplying those, that'll be 995 euro and 67 cents. So then the total USC then, let's add up all of these. So total USC, so when I add up these, that is going to be 1,212 euro and 97 cents. Okay, so now we've dealt with the income tax, we've dealt with the USC. The last thing now we need to deal with is the PRSI. And it's PRSI of 4%. So that's of the total income. So that'll be 42,000 times 0.04. And that is equal to 1,680. And that is the PRSI. So now to finish off the question, we have to calculate Michael's net income for the year. So we have his salary of 42,000 euro. Subtract then his income tax, which was 8,150. Then the USC, which was 1,212 euro and 97 cents. And then the PRSI of 1,680. And so when we subtract those, we're then left with 30,000 euro, 957 and 3 cents. So Michael's net income for the year is 30,957 and 3 cents.